They don't allow me to use Mr. Beast name to create my own YouTube channel. So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Amzo Dollar. So there are people on the internet like you making $1,000, $10,000 every day with their mobile phone. So how if I tell you that you too you can make it in the Gambia? Yes, by having just your mobile phone. Whether you can start your own faces YouTube channel or your webcam YouTube channel. So first of all, you need a YouTube channel, yes, but how to create that your YouTube channel? So today in this video, I'm going to show you first how to create a YouTube channel so you can start making money with your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. But before we are going, if you are new to the channel, please make sure don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video. So let's jump. So first of all, right now we are on our YouTube application. So all you need to do is to come right here to the corner right here and click you. If you come click you will click switch account. So I have different accounts, so I have to switch them. So all you need to do is to click this plus button. If you don't have a Gmail account, you should create a new Gmail account. But if you have a Gmail account, then watch the whole video to understand how to create your YouTube channel. First of all, we need to create a YouTube Gmail account first. Yes, a Gmail account, so you can able to create your YouTube account too with that your Gmail account. So right here we are on our Google account. So all we need to do is to click create account for my personal use. Just click for my business or some stuff like that. First you need to add your name. It will be any name, your first name and your last name. So for my name, let's just say Amzo Dollar. So it doesn't matter, just create it like I want. So Amzo Dollars. So I just enter my name. So all you need to do now is to click next. Yeah, to click next to come to another page so that you can add this stuff. So that now all you need to do is to add month. Just say April day 08. I'm just showing you. You can add. You can do it anything that go with your age. So 2001. Just to let them accept me. So male. So just next. So next now we are waiting for the next page also. So you can do this. So right here you can choose your Gmail address, any Gmail name that you want. So for me, maybe I could choose, or you can create your own Gmail address. So let's just choose one, $0.9 or some stuff like that. So all after clicking next, now you may wait a moment. Yes, you may wait a moment. That also. So all you need is to create your password. So your password must be a strong password, or they will recommend you a password that you could use to create your Gmail account. So for me, let me just create a password. So Amzo, so just stuff like that. So I just create my password. So you need to wait a moment, let this load again. So all we need is just a moment, let this load. So this may take a few moments. So you just see how it is. It is loading. Let's just wait a moment. It is loading to add your phone number. So whenever you lost your Gmail account or some stuff like that, or you lost your mobile phone, or you just have a new mobile phone, you can use your Google name, or you could just enter your mobile phone number in back to your Gmail account. So as you may see right here, I just create a new Gmail account. So if you come to my Gmail account, you may just see there is nothing right now. I don't update the account, nothing is in the account right now. So you just see Amzo Dollar. So all I need to do is to create a new channel. Yes, a new channel where I can upload my own video, whether it's my faces YouTube video or my webcam YouTube video. You can do any stuff that you like, whether it's your freestyle video, vlogging video, travel video, entertainment video, comedy video, some stuff skill video, tech video, or whatever you want. So just if you come name right here, I may choose the right name that I want to choose. Just let's say I want to choose Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. So just you cross me in the comment section. So I just create a YouTube channel where I call it Mr. Beast. So just maybe I will start my own faces YouTube channel talking about Mr. Beast lifestyle or some stuff like that. But I don't recommend you to do it. Just do what you like. So it's now I'll create a channel. So now just no channel. What the heck? So now I just create a channel this 45. Let me check again. Mr. Beast 45. Still now, they don't allow me to use Mr. Beast name to create my own YouTube channel. So how about if your name is Mr. Beast and you Mr. Beast, Jimmy Donaldson have the same name as Mr. Beast? So how may you create it? So you may just create a random name or go to ChatGPT to let them give you a random name to use it to your YouTube channel. So now they don't allow me to use Mr. Beast. Yeah, they don't allow me. So I may just choose another name. Maybe I will just control my name. Amzu. Amzu. Yeah. Amzu. It is good. It is a good name. So create a channel. They just allow me to create a YouTube channel. So now I have just created a YouTube channel. Yes. As you may see, I don't have no more subscribers yet to my YouTube channel. So all I need to do is to update it and do some stuff like that on my YouTube channel. But for this one, I must create another video for this also. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and comment below to continue the episode. So see you in the next video. Thank you.